Hello everyone from Niagara Falls. I visited Niagara last September and it's a beautiful place. The view which you see right now is from the top. Now let's have the view from the Maid of the Mist, that is from the boat tour. So these three falls which we see here together are called as Niagara Falls. The first one we see here is the American Falls. Next to it is the Bridal Whale Falls. And here we see the biggest one, the Horseshoe Falls. Now because Niagara Falls is at the border of US and Canada, so we see tourists from both the countries. And the way to differentiate the tourist is the people from Canada side will be wearing pink raincoats and the people from the US side will be wearing blue raincoats. So the boat we see in front is carrying people with pink raincoat, so it is a Canadian boat. And here from the top, if we see at the bottom, we see some people over the trail in blue raincoats, so that shows they are people from the US side. Now this amazing view is from the place known as the Cave of the Winds, which was my favorite place to be at Niagara. If you are visiting Niagara, this should be a must in your to-do list. And to go to the Cave of the Winds, we have to go to the Goat Island first, and while walking towards the Goat Island, you can also cover or walk through the Niagara Falls State Park and then into the Goat Island. And you'll see a lot of interesting things as well, good music on the way like this. And then I went to this amazing aquarium nearby, the Aquarium of Niagara, and this was my favorite show there of the sea lions. The beautiful jellyfishes. This was interesting. I mean, at the first look, I was just searching what it is and where it is. I thought it's just a wood, and then after waiting for 1 or 2 minutes, when it started moving, I kind of got scared. It looked very scary. This is actually the electric fish. So it produces electricity, to catch its prey. And here are again some beautiful fishes. I just loved looking at them. These yellow fishes over here, are known as the balloon fishes. So, when they sense danger, they happen to swell like a balloon. And this is me with the balloon fishes. And then I tried this hurricane experience at the aquarium. It was not as intense as I thought, but it was fine. Then we went for some nearby small hikes and watched the beautiful whirlpools. I spotted this cute rabbit at night at the Niagara Falls State Park when we were going, to look at the lights in the water and the fireworks later on. So this is at the Horseshoe Waterfalls, this lighting. And this view is of the Canadian side, which looked quite happening. And then we went back to the American Falls to view the fireworks. And so this is lighting at American Falls. And then finally started the fireworks, the showstopper of the day. Fireworks happen daily here for 5 minutes, and it is a magnificent view, trust me. So do not miss this last amazing part of the video, and I will leave you with it. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.